So, you want to know how to make $100 a day online using nothing but your brain, a browser, and some artificial intelligence that's smarter than your ex. Sounds like one of those fake guru pitches, right? Except this time it's not. Because this isn't some click here, buy this, boom you're rich nonsense. This is about using Google Trends, yes, that overlooked crystal ball of the internet, and pairing it with AI to create stories, videos, and content that people are literally begging to consume. And then, monetizing that sweet attention. This isn't guesswork. This is real data, real AI, real tools, and yes, real results. As in, I just made a video about AI gym trainers, and it paid for my rent kind of results. Google Trends, the free psychic you never knew you needed. First, Google Trends is free. That alone should have your ears perked. But what makes it powerful is that it shows you exactly what millions of people are typing into their search bars right now. You're not chasing trends from last month. You're finding the fire before it goes viral. In July 2025, top breakout search terms include Best AI for Image Generation, AI Vacation Planner, AI Voiceover Tools, and oddly enough, AI for Plant Care. Yes, someone out there wants an algorithm to tell them when to water their cactus. The internet is beautiful. What does that mean for you? It means there's demand. And where there's demand, there's opportunity. If people are asking, how can I use AI to write my resume? You can create content that answers that clearly, quickly, and in your own authentic way. ChatGPT, your writing assistant who doesn't ask for coffee breaks. Now you got your trend. But how do you turn that into content? Enter AI, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, you name it. These tools are like having a ghostwriter that never sleeps, doesn't complain, and won't try to sell you Herbalife. You can input a prompt like, write a short video script about how AI can help people plan their next vacation. Boom, instant script. Want to make it funny? Ask for jokes. Want it to sound like Morgan Freeman? That's weird, but doable. This is where your storytelling skills come in. AI gives you the skeleton. You add the soul. You infuse it with real anecdotes, relatable moments, maybe a few awkward pauses for dramatic effect. Because people don't want to watch robots. They want you, your experience, your humor, your mess-ups, your style. That's what makes a video binge-worthy. Real trends, real results. This isn't fantasy, it's July 2025. Let's get specific. According to Google Trends data pulled this week, searches for Gemini 2.5 are up 340%. The phrase AI video generators is seeing a sustained rise in North America, while AI for YouTube thumbnails is gaining traction across Europe and Southeast Asia. If you make content about how to use those tools, or better yet, what to avoid when using them, you're not just creating value, you're plugging directly into a stream of existing demand. You're probably wondering, is anyone actually making money from this? Yes. People are creating shorts with trending keywords and getting 10,000 views in a weekend. Some are selling Notion templates that generate AI scripts. Others are offering consulting for small businesses that want AI-powered Instagram posts. The creators making $100 a day aren't doing magic, they're doing research. And then automating it with AI. This isn't luck. It's legwork plus leverage. Storytelling still wins even when robots are involved. It's tempting to think AI will just do everything. But in 2025, that'll get you slapped with an algorithm penalty faster than you can say auto-generate. Google has already begun penalizing low-quality, mass-produced AI content. So what wins? Storytelling. Emotion, experience. That thing where you hook the viewer in the first 5 seconds with something unexpected and keep them until the end with something unforgettable. Your story structure still matters. Start with curiosity. Ask a question like, what if your next viral video came from something trending right now that you haven't even heard of yet? Then give context. Show your Google Trends data. Work smart, not hard, but still a little hard. Look, you can't outsource your entire creative process. AI can't tell your embarrassing childhood stories or that time you tried to use 3 AI tools at once and crashed your browser. But it can help you skip the boring parts. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you can have a rough script in 30 seconds. Instead of thinking, what should I talk about today? You can look at Google Trends and go, oh, look, people want to know how to use AI to create a grocery list. Even your thumbnail can be AI generated. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create bold, weird, click-worthy images. Make a guy in a suit riding a data graph like a surfboard while holding a laptop. It makes no sense, but you'll get clicks. Add some meme text. When AI writes your script and your landlord accepts YouTube views as rent, people will pause, people will laugh, people will click, and then they'll listen. Monetize like a pro, even if you're a newbie. Okay, so you've got the trend, the story, the AI assist. Now comes the money part. In 2025, monetization is multi-platform and multi-layered. YouTube is still great for ad revenue, especially if you're consistent and niche-specific. TikTok pays out in bonuses if your videos perform well. Instagram Reels still offers incentives in many regions. But here's the trick. Don't rely on one income stream. Build 3 or 4. Start with affiliate links. You're already using tools Pictory, Synthesia, Jasper, whatever. Link them in your descriptions. Some offer $30 to $100 per referral, then add digital products. Repurpose or regret it. Why make one piece of content when you can make 5 out of the same idea? That's not hustle culture. That's systems culture. Say you make a YouTube video called How I Used Google Trends to Get 50,000 Views in a Week. Turn that into a LinkedIn post. Break it into 60-second TikToks. Create an email newsletter with 3 key takeaways. Put it in a blog post with SEO juice. You're not annoying your audience, you're reinforcing your expertise. And the internet rewards that. The world doesn't need more content. It needs more connection. Here's the kicker. Everyone has access to the same tools. Everyone has ChatGPT. Everyone can see Google Trends, but not everyone can connect. Not everyone can tell a story that lands. That's your edge, your personality, your weird little ideas, your point of view on why AI for plant care is either genius or completely unhinged. That's what people follow. That's what they remember. So stop thinking like a content creator. Start thinking like a storyteller. If this video made you laugh, learn, or rethink your whole content strategy, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more wild, factual, AI-powered storytelling videos. And if you've got a niche or a trend idea you want me to break down next, drop it in the comments below.